Hi folks, how are we all doing? Hope you're all doing well. I am just outside Aberfoyle just now. As per usual, I didn't film on the way here because you'll be sick of the sight of that road. And I know what you're thinking. I'm in Aberfoyle, I'm going up the Duke's Pass. But if you're thinking that, you're wrong. We're going to see quite a few lochs today. Let me think. We have Loch Ard, Loch Chon, Loch Arklet, Loch Catrin, Loch Lomond. Should see them all today. Sitting on a new seat today, a lower seat, courtesy of John Die Hard McLean. Thank you, John. Can get my feet flat down now, which feels good. So what you would do here is you would go up right there to go up the Duke's Pass, but instead straight on. So at the end of this road, we've still got a good bit to go, we come to a T-junction. You can go left to Inversnaid. It's just a hotel at the end, it's a dead end, and that's at Loch Lomond. Or you can go right to Stronalicha, where there's a wee ferry to take you along Loch Catrine and back. Where there's a wee ferry to take you along Loch Catrin and back if you want. There's a wee tea room, but again it's a dead end as well. But I think we'll travel along both today. I often wonder who lives in these houses. I mean, that's spectacular. They obviously don't have jobs because, well, where are you going to travel from here? There we go, that's still Loch Ard. One of the nutters that goes swimming in freezing cold lochs. Loch Ard, that's the wee village, which we'll be going straight through. I was looking through my YouTube videos last night, thinking of somewhere that see if I could find somewhere I hadn't been that isn't too far, and I was sure I had done this, but I either done it and lost the video or I haven't done it. I think I might have done it when I first bought the V-Strom, but at the time I didn't have the camera, so I think that's because I definitely have photographs of the bike out this road, so I can only presume I didn't have a GoPro at the time, even though DJI is better. This is quite a wooded area at the moment, but it opens up quite a bit the further you go in. Well, this is the road that I remember, except the last time they weren't filled with tarmac, it was just holes. That's, I wonder, that's Loch Chon. It's just a small loch, or smaller than Loch Ard anyway. And although we're heading to two dead ends, if you like, this road can actually be reasonably busy, so don't think it'll be dead because it's just dead ends. One of the dead ends has a hotel at it, so there'll be traffic to that, to and from. Oh, this looks slippy. Forestry Commission seem to be taking an awful lot of trees down. This weather, no matter where I go, there's trees that have been taken down. It's the land starting to open up. And that is Loch Arklet. Trying to remember where I took that photograph last time I was here with the V-Strom. No, it wasn't there. Don't think that was it, but that's as good a spot as any. That wasn't the same spot as the last time, but if I remember right, the bit I stopped was a bit dodgy for the way the bike was sitting. Let's do the Loch Lomond one first, since it's further. You probably can't see those mountains as well as I can through the camera, but spectacular looking. I think one of them's actually Ben Lomond. Yeah, will be. At the end here at Inversnaid Hotel. This is part of the West Highland Way. The West Highland Way, if you don't know, is you can follow a path from Milngavie all the way to Fort William. It takes you up the side of Loch Lomond, up to the Rannochmoor, Glencoe, then up to Fort William. It's a long way down if you go over that wall. and there's nae to tell. And there is a ferry comes over from the other side. That's us back at the T-junction. Let's head down this way, and that's Loch Katrine. Loch Katrine, if you don't know, supplies most of the water to Glasgow. And it has a couple of wee boats on it for tours. One's the Sir Walter Scott paddle steamer.